Nowadays, battery storage are more popular to any power backup system. We always use the two common batteries, like lithium-ion battery and lead-acid battery. On this video, we compare the two batteries, of why lithium-ion battery is better than lead-acid battery. Number 1. Material used for construction. Lithium-ion battery have durable construction, because it uses expensive materials to last longer, like using carbon as anode, lithium oxide as cathode, and the electrolyte is lithium salt. While lead-acid battery used only cheap materials, like using lead as anode, lead oxide as cathode, and the electrolyte is sulfuric acid. Number 2. Environmental hazard. Lithium-ion battery is friendly, without releasing gas, and have 40% less carbon footprints, due to a smaller materials used for manufacturing on smaller battery size, from similar capacity. While lead-acid battery is harmful, due to sulfuric acid that can be leak, or release hydrogen gas during charging, and have a large carbon footprint for a large used of materials during manufacturing a bigger battery size, on similar capacity. Number 3. Battery size and weight. Lithium-ion battery have 3 to 5 times smaller size, and lighter, that good for any power application on specific equipments, like solar panel storage, RV, golf cart, UPS, power tools, yacht, and any other equipments. While lead-acid battery is too big and heavy to power on the mobile equipments, because it requires more space and strong support during installation. Number 4. Installation and connection. Lithium-ion battery can be installed upside down, standing up, sideways, and any position without problems, because of IP67 sealed that cannot be leaked. It has only limitation of series and parallel connection, depending of battery management system voltage and current limits. While lead-acid battery can be installed only on upright position, to avoid a sulfuric acid not being leak, and keeping free the vents hole for releasing a residual gases. It has an advantage of unlimited series and parallel connection, because it is a dump type of battery without needed any battery management system. Take note that series and parallel connection of all battery must be similar chemistry types, voltage, capacity, internal resistance, depth of discharge, and state of charge. Number 5. Maintenance and safety. Lithium-ion battery is only visual inspection once a year for performance quality, without any additional cost of maintenance, and have battery management system that protect from explosion, due to battery thermal runaway condition during overcharging. While lead-acid battery have additional cost for refilling a demineralized water, used of chemicals to remove terminal oxidation, and ventilation system for gas disposal. The sulfuric acid will leak, and release oxygen, or hydrogen gas, that cause for explosion during overcharging, without any special engineering protection. Number 6. Battery temperature performance. Lithium-ion battery can more efficient, on temperature range from 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. While lead-acid battery provide only more efficient, from 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius only. Remember that extremely high and extremely low temperature can affect the battery chemistry, that will create less efficiency, and shorten the life cycle. Even they have a working temperature range of charging and discharging. Number 7. Charging and discharging current rates. Lithium-ion's battery has 95% efficiency, which can accept a partial, or fast charging up to 100% capacity, but not advisable to store this 100% state of charge, because it has only a lower self-discharge of 3% per month. It has a typical 1C ratings. For example, to find a maximum charge and discharge of 200 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery is equal to ER, or battery stored energy in AH, multiplied by CR, or C rate of the battery. Then, 200 AH times 1C is equal to 200 amperes as maximum charge and discharge current. Now, to find the time duration of charging and discharging is equal to battery stored energy divided by maximum charge and discharge current. Then, 200 ampere-hour divided by 200 amperes is equal to 1 hour. Meaning that the 200 amperes lithium-ion battery can safely charge and discharge at maximum current of 200 amperes within 1 hour, without any damage. While lead-acid battery have 80% efficiency, that needs more energy to charge than discharging, because it has a slow charging, up to 75% capacity only. Some of the excess energy was used for mixing the internal acid, or gasification, to warms up the battery, and always needs 100% storage, due to a higher self-discharge of 33% per month. It has also a 0.05 C ratings. For example, to find a maximum charge and discharge of 200 ampere-hour lead-acid battery is equal to ER, or battery stored energy in AH, multiplied by CR, or C rate of the battery. Then, 200 AH times 0.05 C is equal to 10 amperes as maximum charge and discharge current. Now, to find the time duration of charging and discharging is equal to battery stored energy divided by maximum charge and discharge current. Then, 200 ampere-hour divided by 10 amperes is equal to 20 hours. Meaning that the 200 amperes lead-acid battery can safely charge and discharge at maximum current of 10 amperes only within 20 hours, without any damage. Remember that we must operate the battery capacity on lower charge and discharge from its maximum C ratings, to avoid the increased risk of battery damage that will lower 5%, or more from their capacity, and shorten the battery life. Number 8. Life cycle and depth of discharge. Life cycle is the number of battery charging and discharging, while depth of discharge is the allowable percentage to be used and drained from full charge, without any battery damage. Lithium-ion battery has 4,000 life cycles at 80% depth of discharge, while lead-acid battery has 1,000 life cycles only at 50% depth of discharge. Remember that both batteries will reduce the life cycles if we discharge the batteries below from its allowable percentage of depth of discharge. Number 9. Actual market price and long-term cost. Example. A 200 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery has a market price of 15,699 pesos, while a 200 ampere-hour lead-acid battery is 11,999 pesos only, on which lithium-ion battery has 3,700 pesos higher price than lead-acid battery. But we try to calculate the long-term cost. This lithium-ion battery have 4,000 life cycles at 80% DOD with the actual market price of 15,699 pesos. While lead-acid battery have 1000 life cycles at 50% DOD with the actual market price of 11,999 pesos. If we divide 4,000 life cycles of lithium-ion battery to 1,000 life cycles of lead-acid battery will result to 4. Meaning that we replaced 4 times of lead-acid battery before we can replace the lithium-ion battery. So, if we replaced a lead-acid battery 4 times 11,999 pesos each battery, will become a 47,996 pesos cost of lead-acid battery, which is more expensive than the lithium-ion battery cost that's still on 15,699 pesos price. Number 10. Constant power delivery. Lithium-ion battery have constant power delivery. Example. Using a lithium-ion battery on flashlight will bright the bulb longer from start until battery end, and not turn on again, if battery is on the limit. While lead-acid battery have only strong power it starts in few minutes, but it will shortly drops the power. Example. Using a lead-acid battery on flashlight, will bright the bulb at start in few minutes, and immediately dimmed, which giving small power to the bulb until reduced to the last power limit. Take note that there are also some advantages and disadvantages between lithium-ion battery and lead-acid battery which is not included on this video. But still lithium-ion battery have more advantages than lead-acid battery from overall result. Some of the percentage and cost value we use on this video may varies from the other types of batteries, due to the continuation of manufacturing the advanced battery technology on every coming years. We will make also another video about the lead-acid battery have more advantage to lithium-ion battery. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel. Knowledge link information.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying